Zambia's soy meal demand to recover due to less load shedding. In this week's African Agri Overview, proudly brought to you by Collateral Management International and Zematic Irrigation Systems, we investigate this issue. Collateral Management International, or CMI, works across the continent helping banks and other financiers keep their commodities secure and well managed. With over a decade of experience, they are known for their reliable storage solutions, trusted staff, and professional stock monitoring and inspection services. CMI helps make sure everything runs smoothly and securely. CMI, your trusted collateral manager in Africa. The latest grain prices in Lusaka are traded as follows. Maize on $185 per metric ton, soybeans on $500, soy meal on $510, while the latest wheat price traded on $515 per metric ton. If you'd like more detail on these markets and what's driving these price movements, or become a sponsor on this video, be sure to get in touch with us now. And with that, let's hand over to Jacques Pienaar for this week's update on the grain markets.
Welcome all viewers. This week we look at the Zambia soy market, where a smallish crop is likely to be price supportive. Let's recap the S&D situation. The 2024-25 marketing year, running from April 2024 to March 2025, was a low production year. But the need for imports of both soybeans and soya meal was neutralized by healthy carrying stocks and significantly lower demand for soya meal as a result of load shedding, which limited demand from the poultry and feed industry. Let's move on to the 2025-26 marketing year. We do not expect significant carrying stocks. The average market crop estimate in the region of 250,000 tonnes. However, the government's crop estimate was released this week at 290,000 tonnes. The market guess annual bean crush of 280 to 300,000 tonnes needed to meet the normal local soy meal need. If the government's crop size forecast is correct, as indicated in our graph, the need for soybean and soy meal imports will be small. Most likely, there will be some informal flows from both Malawi and Mozambique, but volume should be insignificant. Good dam fill and river flows as a result of favourable summer rains should see significantly less load shedding next 12 months, as hydroelectricity generating capacity improves and demand for soy meal likely to normalise. We believe whatever beans are available through local production and informal imports will be crushed. Remember, Zambia's crush capacity in the region of 1.2 million tonnes. The next graph shows the price history of Lusaka soybeans and soy meal. Soybeans currently trading at $500 a tonne and soya meal at $510 a tonne. Given the relatively small soybean crop and expected soy meal demand growth, the market expects short-term price support. Talk bean prices could test $550 a tonne and even higher by July, see the red line, and soya meal likely to follow. Spot South African soya meal can land in Lusaka at around $530 a tonne, see the blue line. Can this become a resistance level for local soya meal to the upside? International vegetable oil prices remain relatively low and could limit upward price potential for soybeans. If bean prices are high, crude soya oil prices low, and import parity limit the upside of soya meal prices, it becomes more profitable for crushers to import vegetable oil and leave the feed industry to import soy meal. Next week, we will focus on the South African maize export market for the next 12 months to the rest of Africa, and in particular, where we believe there could be significant changes compared to the previous 12 months. Remember, quality information improves decision making. Contact us for more detailed, tailored information.
Thanks, Jock. Now is the time to update your driveline. Get Zematic gearboxes, motors, coupler kits and wheels at a special offer, available while stocks last. Contact your nearest Zematic dealer for a quote today and invest in a system for the future. Grow with Zematic. A big thank you again to our sponsors, Collateral Management International and Zematic Irrigation Systems, for making this content possible. If you're interested in becoming a sponsor or subscribing to more detailed market reports, contact us today. I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to join us again next week for more insights and updates on the African grain markets.